The Retevis RT95 Mobile Transceiver is designed for easy installation in various vehicles, making it a versatile communication tool for trucks, Jeeps, and RVs. This mobile radio features a high-gain antenna that ensures long-range communication, providing users with reliable signal reception over long distances. Equipped with a 180-degree rotatable color display, the RT95 allows for flexible viewing angles and excellent visibility even in challenging lighting conditions. The dual-band capability of this transceiver enables simultaneous monitoring of two frequencies, enhancing communication efficiency and safety. With VFO fast frequency adjustment and CHIRP compatibility, users can quickly manage channels and settings without needing a computer, making it ideal for outdoor use. Built for durability, the RT95 includes a heat dissipation fan and a robust design that withstands harsh environments, ensuring stable operation even under demanding conditions.